Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa alihi wa sallam. Islamic manner. What is manner? Manner is time as an Islamic principle. Stand as Islamic principle. It is extremely important that we must know and understood how to interact with others and how to understand our responsibility and how to pass this responsibility or message to someone else by our body language, tongue and heart. Especially as a Muslim, it is extremely imperial and somehow compulsory that you watch yourself when you are among people, especially in a mosque. Especially when you wear your shoes or off in your shoes, or you enter to the crowd of people, and mainly avoid that others not feeling uncomfortable by your body language, by your facial gesture, and of course, the tone of your voice. The tone of your voice should be friendly and comfortable, that others not feeling bad, as well as that your body language and your facial gesture. You should approach or talk with the people with a smile and friendly, sincerity faces. Do not show a body language that show hatred, your sense of unpleasantness, and your sense of tight and negative attitude towards others. Manner is important. Specifically, the most common manner in Islam is salam. When you enter to the community or mosque or other event, or even to your family, first say Salamun Alaikum. It's a mustahab. But to respond, you're great, it's compulsory. Saying Salamun Alaikum is a mustahab, but to respond it is a compulsory. The people who can hear it or sitting, they must respond to it, Alaikum Assalam. As you enter to the mosque or enter to your family, do not sit among two people. Do not sit among your brother and sister. Do not sit among the people who is in a mosque, because it's unpolite. Unless they are greeting you to sit among these two people, among them. Otherwise, don't sit, because it's unpolite. It's unpleasant attitude. Islam wants people comfortable. Islam wants people to be comfortable as much as they wish. Islam wants peace. Because by sitting among two people, it means you mind their business. By sitting among the people, you interfere in their conversation or make their peace. By sitting among two people, you may disturbing them. Do not indulge. Just leave people's business and their own time. Do not interfere. It's a meeting and greeting. Mainly a small crowd or 3 people must start greeting. Say greeting to 5 people. Small people must greet to big people. It means if it is 3 people passing by 4 or 5 people, these 3 people must say greet, say Assalamu alaikum to 5 people. All passing by people must say greet to the sitting people. As you pass by, you will see your friends who sit in a corner on the road, you must say hello to them. A young person must greet the aged person, the elderly people. If your child is age 10, must greet to the person who is age 11. If your child is age 15, must greet the person who is age 20. If your child is age 20, must greet the people who is age 30. If you are yourself in the age 30, must greet the people who is 50 or 60. Always respect elderly people because they have right upon you. If you do not respect the elderly people, do not expect yourself when you get older, someone else respecting you. That's the role of the game. That's the role of the Islam. You carry exactly the same burden as you grown many years ago, as you harvested many years ago. You carry your burden as you harvested. As the Persian poet said, as makafat amal ghafil mashaw. گندم از گندم بروی جوز جو. So it's extremely important when you're among people, watch yourself. Watch your public decency of how to interact with others and the people in an acceptable manner. Introduce yourself, supply yourself with morality. Demoralize all unevenness with your standard behavior. And the 6th most thing important in Islam is talking. You must know how to talk with the people. What words you should use. Say after Assalamu alaikum, you must say, how are you, brother? Or in Arabic, say, كيف أحوالكم? In such a friendly way. It is important. You have to learn, prepare yourself how to talk with people, especially with your faithful brother. Do not talk if you're not prepared for that. Do not bring some words in your mouth. Throw out some words from your mouth unless you think about it. Always think before you say something. Otherwise you're going to hurt others. You're going to play with others' feelings. You someone else might not appreciate your thought, your thing. So talking is extremely important. It's majorly important. Rehearse, practice, think, then talk. Always rehearse, think, practice, then talk. Do not talk if you don't know how to talk or how to communicate. Third important thing is eating and drinking. Eating and drinking is very important as a Muslim. You can't go in each shop, especially when you live in a Western society, buy anything. Even you buy some kebab or doner from Muslim shop, you have to ask. Make sure that shop is trusted. And that shop is the owner of the shop is Islamic practicer, practicing Islam, following Islam. Do not buy some good things or halal food from the shop who is not practicing Islam. And when you eat and drink, say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And you have to know the adab, the manner of how to eat and drink. First thing is clothing. You have to wear lawfully clothing. A clothing that you bought from lawful money, halal money. You're not allowed, man not allowed to wear gold, because Prophet Muhammad sent a curse upon those who wear woman's clothing or gold as a man, or woman wear a man's clothing. Man not allowed to wear woman's clothing or even wear gold or silver. It's forbidden in Islam. And the fifth things, have to mind your own business. Do not interfere other business. Leave it people's affairs themselves. Do not put yourself among others' affairs, as others may not like it. Do not consult others unless the people ask you to consult them. Unless the people ask for advice to help them out. That's very important in Islam. Meeting and greeting, talking, eating and drinking, and clothing, and do not interfere of others' affairs or life. So good luck.